Bota a risada no vácuo.
In the night, something close.